Morning swimmers, just recording a little video from the end of the stone jetty in Morecambe. As far as you can see down there would probably be Hess Bank, past Happy Mount Park, and it comes down past Happy Mount Park to Mallows Bay, up to the stone jetty here, and when you turn round you've got the battery down there, Sandylands to Heysham, and then Half Moon Bay. Now, it is possible to swim this entire stretch, probably not all in one go because the tide would have gone out by the time you'd finished it, unless you're some Olympic very fast swimmer. But it does feel really amazing to say this, that it's swimmable, because years ago when I was stood on the shoreline over there pondering swimming in the sea, everybody told me it wasn't possible. Quite happy that I didn't listen to them, really. But I mean, some of the swims we do, Happy Mount Park to Mallows Bay here. Sometimes we do Happy Mount Park past Mallows Bay down there, follow it round this jetty and into the battery. That's about 3 miles. Usually takes about an hour and a half. But when you go down past where Broadway is up there, there must be a channel. You get quite a push down towards this stone jetty, which is really good. Sometimes we swim up from Half Moon Bay to the battery down there. There's lots of variations you can do on these swims. I'd say this jetty is probably the most dangerous part of all the swims, because this water that's left here, you see flowing down the bay, is a channel there. It flows right past the end of Mallows Bay, as you can see where the tide line is. And when the tide's going out, you get the tide going out and this channel emptying out at the same time, which would take you probably out there somewhere. So you do have to be really careful swimming around the jetty at any time. It's very, very dangerous. What I tend to do if I'm swimming the jetty, I don't go right past the edge of it because you could get pushed out. I tend to approach it from over there to somewhere near where those railings are maybe, and come in as close as I can here and sort of hug the shape of the jetty when I'm swimming around it. But I wouldn't ever try it on your own. Probably better to go with people who know what they're doing. But if there's anyone in the group, I've said it before, interested in longer swims in the bay, give me a shout. We will be doing them again as it warms up. You know, it's taken some time to get the knowledge of how the tide works here, and where you'll get assistance and where you won't, and what sort of conditions you're likely to get in different places. But we can finally do it, and we're still here to tell the tale. So here's to lots of happy swimming in the bay.